Hello, people. Here we go again. It's another burpee day, burpee night. Just depends on where you at in this world. For me, it's another burpee night, man. 85-95% of the times burpee night because a lot of times I'll be busy doing other things for people, helping others, or just busy. Yeah, like I probably said in most of my videos, I hate burpees. I don't like them. It's like a love-hate relationship. I love the results, but I hate the pain and suffering. They're hard, but it's sacrifice has to be made for the body, man. You gotta be able to ignore the pain, man. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be able to ignore the pain, man. Anybody that does burpees, they know what I'm talking about. I don't feel like doing it, man. I just really want to go take a shower, get in bed, man. But I'm gonna work out. I'm gonna make myself do it. The older you get, for some reason I tend to get a little more exhausted, tired. But I still make myself do this working out, man. 51, the older I get, it seems more like a job. Man, it's more like a job, man. It ain't easy, man. It ain't fun no more, man. But it's fun getting results, but to get there, man, the things you have to do is not easy, man. So today I'm probably gonna do what we call 2 pumps. It's like 2 push-ups and 2 jumps. So 2 pumps with two jumps. So it's gonna be like I do 2 push and I jump up 2 times. I'm gonna try to do them as many as I can. I want my goal is 100. I'm gonna try to do at least 100 burpees. But that's my goal. So yeah, gonna be 2 pumps with 2 jumps. We're here to our 2-minute walk, so we're gonna go ahead and get started, people. Try to go as long as I can. I have to come out this shirt already know. Oh, yep, here we go. Two. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Shit. Oh shit. 11. 12. Shit. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. Shit. 21. 2. Oh shit. 3. 4. 5. That's it. Oh shit. 4. We had 6 minutes. 40 seconds. The jump, remember, the jump kills the burpee. Because you're doing extra cardio. Oh shit. I'm gonna take a minute and a half. Oh shit. Okay. And that's what we're gonna be. We'll do 2 pumps with 1 jump. Two pumps with 1 jump this time, people. Shit. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. Shit. Woo! 8. 9. 10. Whew. Oh my God. Shit. 11. Oh wow. Oh shit. 12. 13. 14. 13. 16. 17. Oh, shit. 18. 19. Oh. 20. Wow, shit. 2. Up me. 3. 4. 5. 6. 4. Okay. Shit. We at 12, 30. Shit. Oh, shit. That's 52 burpees. We're gonna rest a minute or two, and we'll go again. Oh, shit. Yeah. Shit. Oh, shit. Oh. Yeah. Shit. Okay. We're just gonna do regular 2 pumps this time, people. Shit. Oh my God. Oh shit. Wow. 2. 3. Shit. 4. 5. 6. 5. Help me. 7, 8. 8. 9. Shit, 10. That brought me. Shit. Well. Woo. 13. 14. Shit. 15. 16. Yeah, shit. Woo. 17. Shit. 18. Oh, fuck. Oh, man. 19. Shit. Walk me. 20. Oh, man. 1. Oh, shit. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. Shit. We had 15, 55. Rest about a minute or 2. Shit. Fuck me. Shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, Lord, man. Shit. Shit. Actually, I did a total. Oh, shit. 76, I think. Shit. So, got probably about 20 more to do. Shit, about 100. Oh, shit. Damn, it's hard. Like I said, them jumps is what drained me. A lot of times in prison, they don't do the jump because it drains the burpee. To focus on the main parts, they want to focus on the chest. They might do jumping burpees by themselves afterwards, but they mainly want to focus on the upper body. Chest, arm, shoulders, abs. So, oh, fuck, man. I want to do the last 20 or 25. Whew. Just 2 points, people. Lord, I feel like doing what we're going to do. That flow even getting wet. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Man, damn. Shit. Oh, shit. Shit. Oh, man. Oh, shit. Shit. What? Shit. Damn. Oh. 26. Oh, shit. Whew. With 25 minutes, 45 seconds. Minus 2 minutes. So we did 23 minutes, 45 seconds. 100, what? 8 burpees. Oh, shit. We started with 26. Next set was 26. But we did jumps. We did 2 jumps the first time with the 2 bumps. Second time, we did 1 jump the second time with the 2 bumps. Third time, we just did 2 pumps. All 20, everything's 26. And last time we did 2 pumps, 26. All came out to be 23 minutes, 45 seconds. So if I didn't do those jumps, I might have did a slower time, I might have faster time. But like I said, the jump drains. Oh shit. Whew. So instead of 23 minutes, I might have did those in 20 or 21 minutes. It just depends. Maybe less, I don't know. Give or take 20, 21 minutes. I would have did. Now jump kills the burpees. Take a lot out of you when you jump. But it's good for you. A little cardio don't hurt. So the next thing I'll probably do, I may run on treadmill a little bit for about 20 minutes, and I'll call it a night. Ah, shit. Oh, boy. Oh, yeah. Shit. Fuck. Oh, wow. I kept catching my breath, people. Oh, shit. Shit. Oh, yeah. Oh. Yeah, I'm in visiting family here in Ohio, Columbus, Ohio. I'm at a hotel working out. Yeah, at night. A little free time, Shit. Whew. Man, it's a Sunday night, so this video will be pre-recorded when I won't play it until I get back in town. I never play a video if I'm out of town. So yeah, this will probably be played Tuesday, maybe late Monday night. But if I had to guess, most likely Tuesday. Yeah. So it's a possibility of Monday. It just depends on how I feel like if I'm thinking about it. But that was all together. My 108 burpees took 23 minutes, 45 seconds, give or take. Had I not did those jumps, I probably could have done in 20 minutes. So yeah. Man, I don't feel like doing that enough, but I'll probably just run. Yeah, just probably run tonight. Yeah. Ooh, tired, people, tired. Fuck. Yeah. I got more free time on my hand. I'm not working, so I'm not scarce on time because I got a lot of free time now because I got a break. I'm on vacation. But yeah, man, all you need is about 20 minutes of burpees, about 25, at least 4 days a week. You can manage with 3, but I say at least 4. I ain't gonna tell you to go 5, 6, 7 days. Some people work out 7 days. I think the average person probably work out 4 or 5 days. The average person. Most people take a day off. Better yet 2. And a few people probably work out every day. Me, I try to work out 3 to 4 days. That's it. Especially at my age, I'm not trying to win a marathon. I'm just trying to maintain. Sometimes a turtle beat the rabbit. But just take your time. Because a rabbit could get hurt. But the turtle taking his time, he's less likely to get hurt. Slow pace. He's less likely to not burn out. Yeah. But yeah, that's it, people. Now, I get more rest. If I sleep better, I think I do better. Even though at 51, I think my sleep pattern kind of throw it off. So that's why I'm not working out as extreme, as I was when I was working daytime. Because I was sleeping better, eating right. Nighttime, working overnight, crazy hours, man, he'd be exhausted. Yeah. Anyway, people, that's it. I'll probably do something extra, I don't know, we'll see. I curled last night, so I don't feel like curling today. So what I do, I'll probably definitely just run for about 20 minutes, 22, call it a night. But I am gonna take about a 2 or 3 minute break. Much love, people, thank you for your support. Just know wherever you are in this world, you can do a burpee. You know, if you even in Iran, somewhere in the Middle East, man, you know, if you got a little time on your hand, man, knock out 10 burpees while you can, man. It might be a sign you need to do something. You know, God bless you, man. I wish everybody the best. Even some innocent people caught up in this stuff. You know, God bless you. God be with you, man. You know, and just take care. Yeah, the world changing, people. It's crazy times we living in, man. Believe me, because I never seen things the way it is now. But still do a burpee. Stay in shape, baby. Oh. Oh. Yesterday I didn't video, but I did what I did, the 4-pump burpees. I think I did like 32 4 pumps, and I just did like a breakdown, and I did like 25 3 pumps, 25 2 pumps, then 25 1 pumps. So yeah, and then after that I did a lot of curling, shoulder press, squats, jumping squats with the weights. Then I ran for about, Lord have mercy, 40-45 minutes. So I did some serious working out night before last. So tonight it's a little easier than yesterday, so because I want to get in the bed on time. Yesterday I probably didn't go to bed at probably about what? I think it was Saturday. Yeah, Saturday, Sunday morning. I didn't go to bed about 2:30. Got right back up about 7:30 for breakfast. So I got about 5 hours. So tonight I'm gonna get more sleep. I'm gonna get at least about 7. I know for sure because I'm leaving early. It's 11:31 now. So if I work out for about 20 minutes, cool off about 10. Shoot, man, I'll be done about 12. I'll be upstairs about 12:20 taking a shower. I'll be in the bed before 1. So that way, if I go from 1 to 8, I get at least about 7 hours. Yeah, that's the plan. So yeah, that's it, people. Have a blessed birthday. Burpee night. Much love, people. Thank you for your support. Appreciate you.